Read. I read a book. I read a book. He reads the news. He reads the news. Ask. Ask your teacher. Ask your teacher. I ask many questions. I ask many questions. Answer. She answers the phone. She answers the phone. He answers quickly. He answers quickly. Help. Can you help me? Can you help me? We help our friends. We help our friends. Try. Try again, please. Try again, please. I try my best. I try my best. Talk. We talk a lot. We talk a lot. I talk to my mom. I talk to my mom. Speak. He speaks Spanish. He speaks Spanish. I speak clearly. I speak clearly. Say. They say hello. They say hello. I say goodbye. I say goodbye. Tell. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. I tell stories. I tell stories. Call. Call your mom. Call your mom. I call my friend. I call my friend. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sorry.